Trips with friends is not allowed for everyone's safety. Ang magkukulitan habang naglalaro, pagtakbo,
Wala, nipilit.
paghahalan na maaaring magdadalas, pagdadapa, o pagkahulog ay hindi pinag-iputan para sa kaligtasan ng lahat. Take care of your belongings.
Lugay kinakapantar si Kuya ni Munak.
Such as cell phones, wallets, and bags unattended. Ang mahahalagang gamit tulad ng cellphone, wallet, bag, ang mag-iwan na wala nagbabantay. Be cautious with strangers. Do not easily trust anyone in the world that offers help.
Sige, liko.
Sa hindi kakilala na nag-aalok ng tulong. Please buy your tokens from your authorized cashier's booth. Selling to or buying of tokens for strangers is not allowed. Hindi lamang ang tokens sa amin na kausap ng cashier's booth. Paalala po, maaaring pagbili ng tokens sa ibang tao o hindi pinapahintulutan. If you notice anything or anyone
Ate, ang seatbelt. Ate, ang seatbelt.
Ipagbigyan ng ugat sa aming security guard or staff at anumang kahinahintay ng tao o bagay sa paligid.
Okay.
Always look after your child. To remove them unattended or very nights and days. Mahal namin ang mga magulang. Lagi lang yan ay inyong plan. Huwag silang iwan habang naglalaro ng rides and games. Our team is always here to assist you. Your safety and enjoyment is our priority. At kasiyahan ang aming prioridad. We sincerely appreciate your visit and let's make your experience safe and fun. Lubos kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong bumisita and let's make your experience safe and fun. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.